In this video I'm gonna teach you how to make this floating text animation in After Effects. You can download this project file in the description down below. Making a new tutorial for each day of the year, day 59 of 365. Let's start by creating a text layer. I'm gonna type here floating text. I'm gonna center it. We have to open the text layer and here select animate, and here you have to select the position property, the animator one. You have to add a selector and select wiggle. So you have this wiggly selector, and now if we preview you will see nothing happens. We have to increase these position properties in both sides, horizontally and vertically. You will see that this is already working. How we modify the properties? Open here the wiggly selector one, and if you want to make this floating animation more slowly, you have to decrease the wiggles per second. So instead of 2 we can put here 1 or even less, like 0.5, and this will be more like floating in the space. Another thing, if you want this to have more movement, you have to increase the position here both sides, so 50 and 50 let's say, and now they are moving more. If you see the text is like really nonsense, you can increase the correlation here. It will make the text to stay more like together. So if you decrease the correlation to 0 let's say, now it will be a completely mess. Maybe this is the look you want, or maybe it's a more readable word or something like 70. And the last thing is here you can select any character individually, or you can select the word. So now all the letters of the word will be like stuck together, but each word will move independently. If you want to stop this effect, you can keyframe the position and move forward and decrease the position to 0 let's say, and now it will stop moving like that. You can see these keyframes obviously, and move here the speed graph to make it look smoother. You can even add a rotation, so go here to animate and now select rotation. It's the same steps. Go here now to animator 2 and add selector wiggly, and now you just have to increase the rotation. Go to the wiggly selector, and now let's decrease the correlation to 0, and we will have this animation. Let's decrease the wiggles per second, the same amount, 0.5. So we have to make the keyframes again for this second animator. So make a keyframe for rotation, bring it to 0. Easy both with F9, grab the last keyframe, go to the graph editor and move this handle a little bit, and now you have this. So that's all for today's video. Join Animation Essentials in the link in the description and become a confident animator. You can download this project file in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. See ya.